The day of my exam, my system stopped at 90 questions. And as soon as I stepped out of the center, I started to smile. I was having a big smile on my face, realizing that I know I passed. Hello everyone, I'm Queen Bee. Few people might know me from the comments that we do on the live sections, but I'm very grateful to Professor Regina and Mark and ReMar family, of course, for supporting us, motivating me, to giving us that beautiful content that is required for your major exam. Trust me, content is everything. If you have content with you, you can pass it. If you do only questions like I did on my first attempt using U World Captain, Saunders, you're not going to make it. If you're doing little bit content and lot of questions on my second attempt, which I did with a private institute and spent $800 on it, you're going to make it, because I did it. I failed twice. Trust me, Professor Regina is the key to success. Her content, her motivation, Mark's prayers, ReMar family support is everything. You cannot find this whole bunch of successful team together in the planet in front of you. Miss Professor Regina and Mark and ReMar family played a vital role in my life for 3 months, when especially I needed a back support. While preparing my exam from the section of RNU in July last week, I believe, when she started, I started my section from that time, and I enrolled the first day in V2. I booked my workbook, I got my QuickBooks. I studied only these 3 things: content from V2, workbook, QuickBooks. That's it. Quick fact, sorry. These 3 books changed my life. These 3 things changed my life. I only studied content. I did not do anything else. And before my exam, let me tell you this. I don't want to share this, but I have to tell you, because 2 weeks before my exam, I had my DNC happen. I was broken. I didn't know what to do. I stopped studying for almost a week. I did not study at all. And I texted Professor Regina, I don't know what to do. I'm broken. I don't know what to do now. She replied me back, there is a better plan from God to you. And I realized, yes, she's right. God has a better plan for me. I pulled up myself. I got together and I studied for 1 week more. 2 weeks. 1 week, I did my content again in a week. The day I completed my week, the Sunday, I completed my content. I did my first CAT and I passed. 4 days before my exam, I did my second CAT. It says I passed. The day of my exam, my system stopped at 90 questions. And as soon as I stepped out of the center, I started to smile. I was having a big smile on my face, realizing that I know I passed. As soon as I got my car, I turned on my phone, I called my husband, hey baby, I passed my exam for sure this time. He was like, how do you know? I was like, you can guarantee that I can guarantee myself this time that I passed. And the day I got my result, and I said, see, I told you I passed, because I had Professor Regina's contact, Mark's prayer, and ReMar family support. Trust me, this is a place where you should be. This is a place where you will get your success. Professor Regina and Mark are sent to us by God. They are the shining light to our life. Hold on to their hands and you will get the success. Thank you, Professor Regina and Mark, for everything you do for the community. Thank you so much.